So this right here is a Wimsy Rose that I just planted this autumn, and I'm so excited about it. See, it already has new buds. All of the leaves wilted over the winter, and some of the stem tips have died. But with roses, the moment that you see that there are new leaf buds swelling, you can start pruning. You can start with anything that's dead, and then you can cut as low as the lowest leaf buds if you want. Because this is newly planted, I'm not going to go too crazy on it this year. Also a good idea to cut above any nodes that are facing outward, away from the center of the plant. And also you want to pick the stronger buds. So this bud is good because it's facing outward and also it's pretty large. I'm going to angle my cut away from the bud in case it rains. Looking at the cut up close now that I'm editing, the angle of the cut could have been less intense so that it could be a little bit higher than the part of the stem on the back side of the bud. Technically, all of these would produce stems and flowers and leaves. The one I chose will be way stronger. You can see all the little buds on this stem right here, but this one is growing away from the center of the plant, so I'm going to cut above that one. Some of these stems I'm not willing to cut. It's hard to cut away potential flowers, although these are leaf buds, but let's go. Like for this stem, you can see that this is black, which means it died, and there are leaf buds all along the stem, but the only one facing outward is this one right here, and it's dead. So I could just go all the way down, cut the whole thing off, which I don't want to do. There's one right here that's facing sideways. There's one here that's facing upward and inward. I'm going to cut right there and see what happens first. Now that I cut it, I can see a little bit more clearly, and I think I'm going to cut above this bud. It's facing outwards and a little bit sideways, but it's cool. There we go. That's the best choice right there. Again, I could have and should have cut a little bit higher here. See how this one is facing outwards? Much better. And that's it. That's what it looks like right now. I can't wait to see the new blooms. And that's all for today.